Hi, boys and girls. Well, we just read a book about a very menacing arachnid called the scorpion. And the book showed us that some scorpions like to live in the desert where it is warm and dry. So I want you to think about a desert habitat where a scorpion might be living. And what would be 4 other things that I could find in the desert? So I'm going to take my writing tool, going to take my work journal and turn to the next blank page. When I get to the next blank page, I'm going to do my magical dividing trick where I take my pencil and go from the top to the bottom with a vertical line right down the middle, from side to side with a horizontal line, and then label each section. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I have 4 things, and these are all going to be desert animals. So now I know what I'm putting on this page. Desert animals. Now you have to think of 4 animals that live in the desert. Well, there's one that I know of, the scorpion. We just read about him. I'll draw him up here with his body parts, and I know he has 2 body parts like an arachnid. And I know that it has pincers because we read about that in the book. And I know that he has legs, 8 of them, because the pincers count as the other ones. And I know that it has sharp fangs. There we go. There's pincers on the other side. And has a very stingy tail with its stinger. And now I've got my scorpion. I'm going to put on here or on scorpion. Another animal that I know that lives in the desert is the coyote. Oh! I remember that from our little story about the javelinas, the 3 little javelinas who got chased by the coyote. Another forest animal that I know about is the wheel spider, because we learned about that in our spider book and how it makes itself into a wheel and rolls away from its predators. That's pretty cool. I might put that one here. And another animal that I know lives in the desert is the desert toad. It has the desert in its name. There's also a lot of rattlesnakes that live in the desert. All kinds of animals live in the desert. I want you to think of 4 desert animals and put them in your journal and label them. Okay, scientists. I hope you enjoy your hot, sunny work while you're in the desert.